Here is the thin stick. One end of the thin stick was attached to the shaft. An external force is applied to one end of the other perpendicularly. This external force is in the form of a push by the palm of the hand. The thin stick does not move translationally, but the stick rotates around the axis with a certain acceleration. Now, the external force hits the stick from bottom right to top left. The magnitude of the external force is still the same. The only difference is the direction. If previously the external force formed an angle of 90 degrees, now the external force forms an angle of 45 degrees, or 135 degrees, depending on how we measure the angle. The stick also rotates around the axis, but with a lower acceleration compared to the previous acceleration. Next, an external force hits the stick towards the left. This time the external force forms an angle of 0 degrees, or 180 degrees, depending on how we measure it. It turns out the stick doesn't move at all. The stick doesn't rotate, the stick doesn't move translationally either. Based on these three conditions, the same external force, applied to the same object, can produce different effects. Objects rotate with varying angular acceleration. From here the term torque is known. Torque is a measure of the effectiveness of a force acting on an object to rotate that object about a certain axis. If torque is 0, it means the force does not cause an object to rotate. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to watch the next video.